Hey everybody, Bowling Fool coming at you. So what I have just recently drilled up yesterday is the brand new Columbia 300 Ricochet return. This is the second Ricochet ball that Columbia 300 has released. The first one was the Ricochet Pearl, which I have. I actually bought that from Boulder's Mart eBay site for, I think it was like $105. And I decided to get another surprise ball from Bowling World. And voila, they gave this to me. So I'm pretty stoked. A very cool looking ball. And I laid this up 65 by 4 by 25. So it puts the pin just above the fingers right there. This one comes with polish. I believe they don't polish too many of their balls. Most of them come with factory compound, but they polish this. I'll probably take the polish off just because I don't really like polish on my bowling balls. So I'll put the numbers and all the good stuff about the ball right up here for you. And we're gonna head out to Paddock Bowl in Pacheco and see what we can do with this bad boy. All right, just put up a 255 with this bad boy. Open frame and see what else I can do with this thing here. No. All right, I believe that was my highest game ever, 288. Beats my other high game by 285. Not a bad ball. I say, I like it. Really like this ball. Hell yeah. Wow, is all I gotta say. Holy moly. I have a feeling a lot of people are gonna be sleeping on this ball just because it's a Columbia 300. Do not, in my opinion, do not overlook Columbia 300 balls. They are, in my opinion, some of my best performing balls are pretty much all Columbia 300. And I can only speak for myself. For some reason, I pair up very, very well with these balls. And I would have never probably bought this unless I got it as a surprise ball from Bowling World. I got this with coupon for just over 80 bucks from Bowling World. So this ball has definitely impressed me today with just a few games I did on it. So the first game I did, I rolled and I left it right out of box. I left the polish on and I think I got a 200 flat. And then the next game I surfaced it to 1500 and you're witnessing what happens with a 1500 surface on this thing. I just took the pad and just took the polish off. I didn't spend too much time with it, maybe about 30 seconds getting it off there. But holy moly. My best game to date. So my previous best was 285, and that was with a Motive Crimson Jackal. So I'm really looking forward to bowling with this ball a lot more in league. And I decided to do a 3-game. So the first game was 255. The second game was what you just saw right now. And the third game was 200, just because I missed some of my easy spares. Right, my spare games wasn't that great today. But if I could strike, then it does very well. But it's a good thing I made the last 2 pins on the 10th frame to make it a 288. So I'm really liking this ball. I think it's going to be probably my 300 ball if I'm being serious here, just because I got so damn close today, and the shape on this ball is absolutely insane for me. As soon as I sanded it, it just came alive, and it hooked right at the right spot. So I think with my layout, the cover stock, and the core on this ball, Columbia 300 definitely has a winner here. I'm very excited. So thanks for watching. If you guys liked the video, make sure to give me a like, comment down below, and be sure to subscribe. And let me know if you guys have the Ricochet. Do you have the original Ricochet Pearl, or do you have the Ricochet Return? What's your highest scores with the Ricochet Return, if you do have this? I'm kind of curious. So, and let me know if you guys like it or not. I think most people will like this ball. So anyways, thanks for watching, everybody, and I'll see you on the next video.